This is the best braised pork to serve over rice. Today, I'll show you how to cook braised pork. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rhea. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope na magstay kayo kasi masarap ang recipe na ito. Worth it i-try. Alright, mag-umpisa tayo. So first, ang ginamit ko dito ay baby back ribs. Bumili ako ng isang rack and then hiniwa ko siya ng paganyan. Isa-isa kumbaga. And then, i-marinate muna natin ang pork sa soy sauce, vinegar, salt, and pepper for about 30 minutes or kung meron kayong time, pwede naman 1 hour to 2 hours. But itong recipe na ito ay 30 minutes ko lang siya i-marinate. Give it a good mix to make sure na pumasok talaga ang flavor sa meat. And then, set aside lang natin yan kasi nga 30 minutes, iniligay ko siya sa fridge or pwede naman sa counter lang. Next ay mag-heat up tayo ng oil. In a pot over medium heat, mag-gisa tayo ng onions and ginger. So, gisahin natin ito, I'd say mga about 3 to 5 minutes. Continue stirring para hindi masunog. Isusute lang natin ito hanggang sa magiging fragrant na and translucent na yung onions. Then, after that, ay ilagay natin yung marinated na pork. We are going to brown it siguro mga about 10 to 15 minutes over medium-high heat. Importante na iba-brown natin yung meat. So, while bina-brown natin yan, I'd say after mga 5 to 6 minutes, i-check nyo. And then, making sure na brown yung each side. Okay? Then, kapag na-brown na yung yung meat, ilagay natin yung marinade, yung ginamit natin sa pork, yung minamarinate natin kanina. And then, naglagay din tayo dito ng tomato paste. Lutuin lang natin yan mga 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a good mix and then add lots of garlic. Yes, gusto ko ng garlic at sa recipe na ito, I made sure na maraming garlic. And then, nag-add tayo dito ng smoked paprika, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Sa lista naman ng mga sangkap, kindly check yung description box. Kumbaga, guideline lamang ito sa recipe. Alright? So, and then, imimix again, yun naman sa cooking mix. And then add, diba? Then, nagpour ako dito ng water to deglaze the pan. Kasi, yung brown bits sa bottom ng pan ay flavor yan. So, do not skip this step kasi talagang importante yan. I-deglaze nyo lang. Again, over medium heat ito. So, kung kailangan nyo mag-adjust ng heat, then do so. Alright? And then, nag-add pa tayo ng more water along with 2 bay leaves. Then, cover at let it come up to a boil. Katulad ng nakikita nyo dito, I'd say mga about 15 minutes ito. Then, cover and turn down the heat to low. So, slow and low ang pagluluto natin dito. So, mga after an hour, chine-check ko kung nice and tender na. Hindi pa. So, I added 30 minutes and then I checked 30 minutes. Hindi pa rin. So, keep checking the meat to make sure na nice and tender ito. So, sa akin, mga about 2 hours ito on low heat. And then, to finish it off, I squeezed a little calamansi juice or kung meron kayong lemon, it works too. And then, give it a final taste after ma-add yung lemon. I mean, throughout naman sa cooking, kailangan yung i-taste yung food. Kasi yun naman yung para ma-adjust natin, ma-achieve yung flavor na gusto natin. Okay? And then, that's it. Yeah, wait 1 second. After ma-simmer ng 2 hours, I adjusted the heat to high, mga about 5 minutes para ma-reduce lang yung sauce. And then, cover it, turn off the heat, let it set for siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes lang before serving. Perfect talaga ito with a bowl of hot steamed rice. Kaya, kain na! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and as always, you guys take care.